Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here, right? I never do. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. Link down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's get in here. This was sent to me by... Oh, this is the Going Gear package. I did not... No comments on the sharpness of the scalpel. 1, 2, 3, and okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let me get the deal out. We got a Bestech knife, some EDCI. Going Gear EDC Club. Okay. Good deal. Yes. So these are supposed to be valued at $60. I'm sorry, it's $60 a month. There's a link for this down below. I do this. I mean, you guys, if you're interested, you can go for it. If you're not, then that's fine, right? I try to be upfront about exactly what this stuff is, right? So we have this first thing here, the Folomov EDC C1. The EDC 1 is a tiny, lightweight, everyday carry light from Folomov. Oh, okay. Oh, neat. Ooh, all right. Yeah, well, it's probably has the... Let's open this up and see. Yeah, there we go. The thing came off of it. So you got to do that before it'll function. Oh, ooh, okay. Yeah, it was. Does it have different modes? Yeah, wow, okay. There we go. It looks like AAA. It can reach a maximum of 400 lumens over 30 minutes. It includes a micro USB rechargeable 10440 battery and an aluminum storage case. One of our favorite features is the high CRR Nokia E21A LED, allowing you to see a wide range of colors at night. Okay, cool. They said that's a $30 value. I believe that. The next thing is the... Where is this? Did I miss something? Oh, I did. Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. The one... Well, it says the technician's pocket screwdriver. Let's open this up. Okay, so far I have a lot more. There's a lot more interest in this one than some of the other ones. But is this a? Oh yeah, okay. Simple yet effective. These screwdrivers are handy to keep around. Each end has two tool bits that are made from heat-treated S2 steel, housed in composite plastic handle and pocket clip. Okay, yeah, and you can flip that around, and we've got a couple of different things. So there's another end. Oh yeah. All right, we have a tiny Phillips, large Phillips. We have a tiny flathead and a large. That's actually pretty handy. I think that's a nice thing to just keep in your tool. Well, probably something I would just throw in my truck. It's kind of neat. Value on that, they say it's $5. Let you see that. The EDCI, I think you guys are familiar with this stuff. Spray on, rub in, wipe off, and keep your knife, free from corrosion. I think there's been talk about things that work better or worse. I've got a bottle of that stuff, and I use it on all of my knives in combination with other things, and I've never had an issue. So yeah, there you go. That is valued at $5. And then we have a knife here. Let's open this up. This is a Bestech. Whoops, I just dropped a piece of paper. All right, and this is, let's see, the Bestech. What do they call this? The Eye of Raw, $52. This is D2 and G10. All right. So, actually, a pretty decent design. Bestech always makes good stuff. This is G2, D10. It looks like it's made pretty well. You guys are familiar with Bestech knives on my channel, and I can tell you right off the bat, it feels very much like other budget Bestechs that I've handled, which is very, very good, right? So, we've got a $52 knife, a $30 flashlight, a $5 technician's pocket screwdriver, and a $5 bottle of the Aegis Solutions EDCI formula. This is one of the, definitely one of the better Going Gear EDC clubs that I have unboxed. I'm much happier with this one. This is cool. This is the kind of stuff that I'd love to see. A flashlight, a tool, and a knife is a perfect combination of stuff to get in something like this. I have done reviews on this package in the past where I was not nearly as excited, and one where I was really bummed out, right? But if this is to Going Gear, this is cool. this combination of stuff is thumbs up for me. It's not going to be everybody's like, yay, right? People are going to have different opinions, but my opinion is this is the right combination of stuff to get. This is all stuff that I find useful, and I think a wide variety of people would find useful. I'm pretty impressed with this month's Going Gear EDC Club package. You can check this out in the description, right? If you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine, right? Content here is always free and mainly just for your entertainment, but I do like to share with you guys cool stuff like this. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thanks again to Going Gear for the EDC Club package. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. You know what I should do? I should show you guys this. There you go. You know, you can read it if you want to. Huh? All right. I know I gotta make sure it's not in the last 20 seconds, because otherwise the little cards will cover everything up, right? I hope you guys can see everything. Anyways, guys, should I do my outro again to go really so that the cards don't cover everything up? But please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have an excellent rest of your day. Bye.